tiger family. They are very poor. So, as you can see, they live in a cage. I'm claustrophobic, you know. You flipped in my mouth.
We first introduced the mother, the white tiger,
who is very squished.
She never worked, and her husband...
Her wife, are you,
Please don't interrupt the start.
Sorry.
Her husband worked at a toothpaste factory, but then lost his job, and he died of a stroke.
Oh, no, my daddy.
Left the 5 kids behind.
Yeah, you know how crowd is in here, man?
There's the 2 twins.
Let me out of here.
Leo and Lennon.
Huh?
There's
me.
There's the reject.
Oh, don't call me reject.
The reject, Flippy.
You call me reject, you forget my name.
The sister, Lindsay, and the oldest brother, Cusco.
Oh, and you forgot me over here.
I said you were part of the twins.
Oh.
You're Lennon and you're Leo, okay?
Oh, right. Yeah, he's the dumb one. I'm the smart.
So left everybody and died sadly. So one day the mother got $5 and decided to buy a lotto ticket.
I think I'm gonna go to the lottery. Mom, you're pulling me. Sorry.
Lindsay, you'll take after them. You look after them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mom. So as she walked off to the store.
Hi, I'd like one lottery ticket, please.
Yo. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get a lottery ticket.
$6.49, please.
Yes. Here you go.
Thanks.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, here's 25 cents.
Thank you. Okay. And then she went back home.
I got a lottery ticket. Oh joy! More money on crap.
The next day, she went out to check her ticket.
Hello, I'd like my ticket to be checked, please.
Oh my God! You are a winner! You are a winner! You are the winner of $5,000 million! Woo! So she went, and they went, and they left forever.
Oh yeah, we're out of this job. Woohoo!
And they bought a mansion and lived happily ever after.
Oh, let's get out of this trailer park, yeah.
Bye bye.
The end. Oh.